Today's video is sponsored by June's Journey. June's Journey is a hidden object mystery game and it's available for free on mobile devices, Android and iOS. This game is honestly made for me. It has all the elements that I love. It's a murder mystery with an interesting storyline. It's set in 1920s and you guys know that I love everything vintage. It's beautifully animated with that vintage aesthetic. It's also very relaxing but definitely challenging enough. It's just perfect for those long flights, which I have been having quite a lot lately. So go ahead and check out June's Journey. You can download it through the link in my bio, and thank you again for supporting my channel. And now back to the video.
Oh no, I gave my heart away, went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold?
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing yet another behind the scenes. Last time I missed the frost, and today when I woke up I was like, hello, I gotta shoot this, it's beautiful. So thankfully Adelise was free today, so she came to the photo shoot. Yay! Thank you so much for responding so last minute to this photo shoot. We are back at the Confederation Park. It's one of my favorite parks and it's really close to my place. That's why I shoot here all the time. And so yeah, we're just gonna find a lot of beautiful frosty trees and take some simple cute portraits. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah, just kind of over there. And let's see, let me just see what this looks like first. It's definitely dark today. Oh, it looks so pretty. Yeah, it's really nice. I think I'm gonna bump up my ISO just a little bit. Shoot it at 125 and my Kelvins, 5800 Kelvins, I think. I just want to shoot it pretty neutral. Yeah, that looks really good. Let's try this. Let's try like a very cute, almost like you're like, looking around. It's so pretty, you know? Yes, yeah. And with your legs, try to do something like, you know, with your legs crossed. Yeah, exactly. Yes, like that. Or maybe, you know, with your legs, try to do, it's more kind of like, you know, like a little step and you're like, oh. Yes, that's adorable. You know what? Can we try that other jacket that I brought? Just so it's not as black. On white, the black is almost like too black, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I think that's like more quirky, right?
But it gives her
yes,
more.
oh, I like this way better. It's cute, it's really cute. Oh yeah, that's way better. And I love that pose that you did. Yeah. Because you see, now I feel like you can see your skirt better and you can play around with it more. Okay, let's put the clothes on and let's go to a different location. Okay, so we are at the second location. I really like this. First of all, if you look over there, there's this tree in the front and then another one in the back. It's like in a perfect circle and it's gonna have I can frame like the composition around it really nicely. Okay, so let's get you first standing here. Just kind of standing right over here, and it's nicely frosted too. So I like that. Oh my God, yeah, that looks so nice. That's super pretty. I think these will be great for portraits. So I'm gonna do mostly just close. Get a little bit closer to me from it. Yeah, just a little bit more even. Yes. Let me see. Yeah, that's cute. So I think the light is coming. Can you turn a little bit more this way? Yeah, I think if you just stay more this way so I can get a little bit more light on your face. You don't have to, you don't have to be completely like this way, but just like a little, yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's adorable. Oh, fix your skirt just a little bit. Perfect. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, and let's try this. Let's try getting you sitting on that. It's a little bit frosted. So you don't get like cold sitting on it. You probably still will. Should we put...
That's okay.
Okay, if you sit on it and then like put your hands kind of like that on... That is the look. That is it. The only thing with your... Put them more like on your tippy toes. Yes, yes, that's cute. Okay, stay there. Gonna try, see which way looks the best. Oh, that's really cute. I think from this side. Yeah, I love it from this side again. Kind of using this branch to frame my shot looks very, very cute. What if you go a little bit, what if you instead kind of lean like, yeah, I think I like this better. Yes, that's cute. What if you try to sit on that ledge, you know, like instead of, yeah, facing me, kind of like a little bit to the side, you know? Yeah, yes. Yes, that's it. That is it. Wow, it looks like a winter wonderland. What if you keep, kind of do something like this, so kind of lean onto this knee. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, I still want to shoot around here. Ooh, this kind of looks cool. What if I get you standing right over here, right beside this? Yeah, that looks good. See, stand right, yeah, right over there. Stop. A little bit this way. That's it. Ooh. Okay, now this is really nice for portraits. First of all, we're getting nice light. Although the sun is behind the clouds, it's somewhere around here because we're getting most light this way. Also, now I'm going to be getting some bokeh because you can see all of the bright coming through the trees. And we're still going to get all of the frosties in the shot. So I'm going to do some more of a close-up portrait there. Yeah, again, let's kind of, yeah. Yeah, that's perfect. That's really pretty. Actually, get a little bit closer to me. Stop right over there. There's a few. This way, stop. I'm just trying to avoid the tree trunks in my shot. I want only bokeh. Okay, yeah, I think this right here looks really good. Oh, I love that. I love that. So this one I'm gonna do kind of right here. So again, maybe something with your hands closer or kind of like, yes, hold that. No, put it back. you know what? What if you stand over here? Don't take it off. I just want to see what it looks like. Go a little bit more this side, on this side. Ooh, that looks nice. I like this. No blanket. So here again, I kind of want, like, what if you just hold both of your hands kind of like this, like you're cold? Yeah, that's like adorable. I love that. Just pretend you're cold, you know. Yeah, that's really nice. It's like very foggy in the background and I really like it. Can you get a little bit closer to this side? I want those trees. Yeah, get even more, kind of like, yeah, right over there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that looks really nice. That's perfect. Oh, I love this. Okay, I'm gonna have to go down. Rip this jacket. That's cute. Oh, I love that. Now drop your hair and just kind of play around with your scarf here. Yeah. What if you pretend you like do a little twirl? Yes, that was cute. Okay. And just smile where you do it. Oh, let's do this one where you're kind of like holding onto your hat and you're just kind of looking out. Yes, yes. But my fingers are starting to freeze out, which means we've been shooting for a while. Okay, just a few more. Cute. All right, so we just finished the photo shoot. My fingers are about to fall off, and this is how you know that we're done with the photo shoot. Thank you so much for braving the cold. You're like not wearing a lot of clothes. You did amazing as usual. So guys, check out Adelise on Instagram. I'll put her link in the description down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.